Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G53 5G device, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, constantly we have three aspects that can slow down our device. Is onboard memory, RAM memory, and harmful files. So, firstly, we will talk about inbuilt storage. So, inbuilt storage is the limited resource, and when you fill your storage over 70%, your device starting slowing down. So, don't fill your memory over 70%. To check how much memory you have used, you need to open settings, then scroll down, find memory. Here, as you can see, I have used only 13 gigabytes of 128 gigabytes, and as you can see here, I can see that I have used only 10% of my memory, so of my storage. So if you have filled up your memory over 70%, your device can't work good. So if you want to take a good care of your smartphone, you need to free up the space of your device. How you can do it is another question. So firstly, you can remove applications from your device that you are not using. For example, you can remove all unused tabs. For example, you can delete games, you can delete any other applications. The next step you can do to free up space in your device is to upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. So you can use Google Photos. This is the built-in application to uploading your photos and videos. So just open it, click turn on backup, click next, and okay, great. Now all your photos and videos will be automatically backing up into your cloud storage. Google gives you 15 gigabytes for free, but you can create a new Google account to bypass it, and then you can save your photos and videos on the other Google account, 15 gigabytes for free. Of course, you can use any other cloud storage. You can use Mega Drive. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free, but of course, in free subscription, you have many restrictions. For example, you can't upload over 1 gigabyte per day, but of course, you can pay for any of the cloud storages. Okay. The second aspect that can slow down your device is RAM. So RAM is the limited resource as an internal storage, and here is the winner, one who invests in a device with more temporary storage. But if you want to release your RAM, just open this menu. Clicking on the square button, or if you are using gestures, just swipe from up to down, and you will see this menu, and just unload from RAM all applications. Great. And the last aspect that can slow down the performance of your device is harmful files. Harmful files, there are files. These files are living applications on in Android system, and from time to time you need to clean it. To do it, you just need Google Files application. So just try to find it. This is a built-in application, and as I remember, you can't remove this app. Yes, this is built-in application. So just find this app. Click continue, click allow, then click clean here, and here you'll see junk files. And click clear, and Great. As you can see, I have cleaned junk files from my device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.